What the hell happened? In the middle of a raging bear market, the S&P 500 was up just shy of 2% yesterday, and energy stocks were up 4.4%. You've got some questions? I think I have an answer. Welcome to the Money Runner. This is your Market Minute. I'm David Nelson. The trigger for yesterday's rally, in part, comes from across the pond as the Bank of England stepped in to support cratering UK 30-year bonds. With yields touching 5% in response to a collapse in the gilt market, pension plans were in a panic, pressuring the BOE to step in and do something. Some bonds had lost half their value. At the time, I was sitting in the green room at Fox News, about to step into the studio to join Fox business anchor Maria Bartiromo for an on-air interview. I glanced at the television and saw that futures had jumped from deeply in the red to positive territory. So why did our markets jump on something that should largely be contained in Great Britain? Even in the face of deglobalization, the world is very much interconnected. It reminded investors that in the face of an accident or financial crisis, central banks will be forced to step in. In a stunning reversal, the BOE put quantitative easing back on the table. Okay, let me bring this back home without rehashing how we got here. The pace of the FOMC actions this year are causing unprecedented moves in both U.S. fixed income and the U.S. dollar. A rising dollar, while helpful in the fight against inflation, has unintended consequences. First, 40% of S&P 500 revenue is offshore, and a rising dollar translates into lower earnings here. It also inflicts immense pain around the world, especially emerging markets. Why should we care? The 1998 Asian financial debt crisis was triggered when Thailand was forced to unpeg its currency to the U.S. dollar. Trust me, the carnage was felt around the world. I think we all understand the Fed has a job to do. We need to cure the cancer of inflation, but we don't want to kill the patient in the process. If the Fed moves too quickly or too far, something's going to break. Day after day, U.S. companies are starting to lay off their workforce. Those strong jobs numbers we've been seeing all year are backward-looking. It's only a matter of time before they roll over into the red. Where do bears think this market is headed? Check out my podcast, Bear Market Target, to find out. If you like today's show, please hit subscribe. All comments are welcome, good and bad. Helps us get better. Thanks so much for joining. I'm David Nelson.